Good morning, family. Sunday morning. Ramadan Mubarak. Uh, happy Easter to those who are celebrating Easter. This is a quick update on the young bird flying loft. I got the Avery done. It does open from the inside. It's got 1/4 inch. It's a 1/4 inch, if I'm not mistaken. 1/4 inch. The little bitty holes. You can't fit the raptor can't fit his claws through the holes. I did it on the front. Got connecting spots somewhere here to keep anything from going in it. It's also got the 1/4 inch all the way to the top. Also on the sides. Put the brackets right here so that it can't come too far over. Then I also got this right here from an old bird cage, so I can put them in so they get used to it. I haven't put up the bars for the trap yet. I do got sand on the bottom, and you can see it pulls in the inside and then lets them out on the other side over there. I only did it. Let's take a quick look. Since it does let in the inside, I screened up this so the birds can't get in or nothing else can get in. But it does open in the inside, but you can see I'll keep this closed and I'll just use that one as a trap. Now if I'm letting them out, I'll probably open both of them, but I'll use that one for trapping only. Should make it easier to work. All right, move some more in here. I don't know why the light not on. It's supposed to come on at 6 o'clock maybe. One thing that I have not done yet, I have not changed out this door and put another cover of wire that's still on the front. And I haven't covered this part up with some more wire. I am going to do that. I was just trying to get the main thing done so the birds can get out. And one of the main things on this is, I guess, maybe I should keep that closed. This is just an extra thing of security to keep from anything getting in. All right, that's a little bit of my young bird update. Getting the Avery back in place and everything. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace. Shouts out to all the flyers. Hope everyone had a great breeding season or still have a good breeding season, as well as an old bird season.